learned retooling. I learned the benefits of having two locations, which there are a lot of benefits because one of the main struggles that I find with laundromats and owning one, and almost every business, is employees.
Yeah.
And the ability to have two locations allowed me to have more employees. So, say one employee doesn't show up at one location, I can take them from the other one and put them at that location. Or I can have one manager in charge of both locations now, so I can be more hands off.
Hmm.
Whereas when it's just one, sometimes it doesn't pay off. It's not worth the money or the you can do it yourself. Whereas when you scale a little bit bigger, you need to create different systems, put different people in charge. And what we said earlier was put the right driver in the seat. And I
Sometimes
found
literally, when you're
when
do
you
pick
got
up
the
a delivery at
deliveries,
least.
oh
Yeah.
man, oh man,
Well,
I have
yeah,
stories about that.
we'll get
Oof.
into pick up a
Yeah,
delivery here. Yeah.
but yeah, definitely it served its purpose, and very happy for that lesson. Sometimes in business, things don't always go the way you planned, and that's inevitable. But you can always make the best of that situation. And luckily, I did. One is the lessons that I've learned were, you pay for those lessons. But luckily, on the sale, I did well, and yeah, I'm happy with everything the way it turned out. And now I'm just back to perfecting my first location, which is always good advice. Make sure you have your first systems in place before you go into your second location. Another thing that I said again, I'll say it again, is that if you do have pickup and delivery, which I do, I recommend, because that's what kept my second location afloat